Okay, class, so if you don't already have your papers out, go ahead and pull out your papers for today, which is Tuesday. You should have, it looks like 2 math papers, and I'm going to go over those with you. Okay, on your first paper, let me bring it close. On your first paper, up here at the top, it says write by tens to 100. So you're just going to start here and write by tens, 10, 20, 30. You're going to go all the way across, and then you're going to skip down here and keep going, and you'll write by tens all the way to 100. Down here, where you see the little crayons, it says circle the number that tells how many. So if you notice, you've got packs of 10 here. That's why it has a 10 on the front. So you would count by tens and then add 1, 2, 3 more crayons. So when you're counting these, you're going to count the boxes by 10, and then you'll have 3 more. And so then you're going to circle which one matches the number of crayons that you have here, 30, 23, or 33. You're going to do the same thing down here with the jars. These jars are 10 in each jar. That's why they have a 10 on the front, which means you're going to count by 10. And then you're going to add these little jelly beans right here to these 2 jars of jelly beans to see how many that you have. So count by tens and then count these jelly beans here. Does that give you 20 jelly beans, 25 jelly beans, or 30 jelly beans? And you'll circle the correct number. Okay, down here is mixed addition and subtraction. So remember when you're doing these problems to make sure that you're looking at this sign that's in between the numbers. Make sure that you know, is it an addition sign or is it a subtraction sign? Remember, the plus here will tell me to add, but the minus here will tell me to subtract or take away. So now you've got to be able to figure out if you're adding or subtracting before you do the problem. So you're always going to look at the sign here in between the 2 numbers and tell me, is it adding or subtracting? Is it a plus or a minus? I know this is a plus sign, so I know that's telling me to add these 2 numbers together. I know this is a minus sign, so I know that's telling me to subtract these 2 numbers or take away. So be sure to pay attention to that when you're doing these addition and subtraction problems. Now on the back, you've got some mixed addition and subtraction problems as well. So you're going to solve the problem for each one of these, okay? Like here it's 2 plus 3, and I know that would be 5, so I'd write a 5 here. And then I'm going to go up to my key or my legend here, and it's telling me if the answer is a 5, I'm going to color that brown. So you'll do the addition and subtraction, and then whatever the answer is, you'll go up here and see what color you're going to color that. So if the answer is 3, you would color it green. If it's 4, you'd color it red. 5, you'd color it brown. And 6, you'd color it yellow. And 7, you would color it blue. And that's all you have today, guys. Okay? Thank you. Bye. I love you.